Hello guys, so today I am going to do unboxing of this Dell monitor that is 27 inch. This is SE2719HR model, and this is bezel-less, as you can see here, SE2719HR model. This is this. Okay, so let me do a very quick unboxing of this. So let me cover this tape here. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so this is it. So let me see what we get here. This is the user manual here on how to install this monitor and so on. And what else we have got here? Okay, what is this? So this is a stand. Okay, this looks nice, durable. Alright, so let me keep this aside here. And this is one HDMI cable that you get here. Alright, and this is the power cable. Alright, this is also power cable. And let me see, what is this? Okay, this is the base plate of the Dell. So it looks like this. It is a bit nice quality, heavy and sturdy. Alright, so let me keep this thing all aside. Okay guys, so this is the monitor itself. So let me show it to you. Okay guys, so this is my 27-inch bezel-less, borderless monitor. So as you can see here, I have 24-inch of monitor there. So if you want to compare the size between the 27-inch and the 24-inch, that is my HP 27-inch monitor. So let me see the size difference. Okay, let me keep aside this earphone there. Alright. So it's a bit bigger, isn't it? As you can see here, this is bezel-less. So it has got a very nice logo out here of Dell. So it cost me around 29,000 Nepalese rupees. That is around $270. Yes, it is a bit expensive in 2020. I think this is a 2019 model. So I will set this up, and again I will come back to you. Thank you. I'm going to fit this stand and this base here. So we have got this. So the side facing here, we have to put it like this. And here is one knot here. We have to. Now I'm going to put this in the two holes here. Okay. Now I'm going to. Okay, by this we have to do this here, and we have to rotate it. All right. So this is it. Now this is very sturdy. Okay, so now we can easily, so as you can see, we have this here. Okay, so it moves also like this. So what we can do is, we have to, okay, let me bring it a bit here. So we can insert it like this inside here. Okay, now there is a click sound. Now it can stand there like this. Okay. So as you can see here, it can move very easily like this. Okay, it doesn't go much more than that. Okay, the thing is that it falls like this. That's not such a good thing. Okay, and okay, this is like this. So where is that? Let me bring it here. Okay, let me bring it like this. Oh yes, it doesn't fall here, isn't it? That was the base, so it was falling. Okay, so this is good. This is the Dell monitor. This is the Dell monitor, and this is the 24-inch of HP monitor. So as you can see here, so this is the size difference between 24-inch of monitor and 27-inch of bezel-less monitor. So keep in mind that in this 24-inch there are some bezels, as you can see here, but it doesn't have any bezel. So it looks like this. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Now I'm going to open this monitor. Let's see how it looks when it boots up for the first time. Okay, I'm opening the CPU. Okay, it's coming. Okay, the screen looks nice, right? Okay, so it tells me to select the language. So okay, I'll choose English one. Okay, so scanning for signal. Okay, I think this is the first time. So this is saying that the display will go into power save mode in 4 seconds.
The connection is
So no VGA cable, alright.
it
Is searching it. So guys, now again I'm going to open it because previously I had not connected the HDMI port. Choose the input. So let's choose HDMI there. Alright. So it chose HDMI as the input. It's saying no HDMI from a device. Okay, let me check it again. So guys, this is the screen and this looks very beautiful. And that is, I'm projecting that from my laptop. So it looks very beautiful, isn't it? The screen is. Wow, it's amazing. Look how small the 15-inch screen looks. Okay, this is it guys. So thank you for watching.